In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a PDF to Mailerlite. We'll start by uploading the PDF, then add it to your email, connect it to a button if needed, and finally test everything to make sure it works correctly before you send your campaign. First, log into Mailerlite and go to the File Manager. This is where your uploaded files are stored so you can reuse them inside your emails. Once you're there, click Upload and choose the PDF file from your computer. After selecting it, wait for the upload to finish completely. When it's done, confirm that the PDF appears in your File Manager. One important thing to keep in mind here is that Mailerlite's File Manager has a 10 megabyte file size limit, so if your file is too large, you'll need to reduce its size before uploading. Next, go to Campaigns. From here, either create a new campaign or open an existing draft if you already have one started. Choose the drag and drop editor so you can easily place the PDF link exactly where you want it in the email. Now add a text block, button block, or image block depending on how you want people to access the PDF. If you're using text, type your copy and highlight the words you want readers to click. Then click the link icon and choose Insert File. After that, select your uploaded PDF from the File Manager and save your changes. This lets subscribers open the PDF directly from the clickable text. Mailerlite also supports linking PDFs to text, images, and buttons in both the drag and drop editor and the simple editor, so you have some flexibility in how you present it. If you want to add the PDF to a button instead, drag a button block into your email and click on the button to edit it. Find the link or URL option, then choose Insert File. Select your PDF from the File Manager and update the button text so it clearly tells people what they're getting. Good examples include download the PDF, get your free guide, or download now. Once that looks good, click Save. The final step is to test the PDF. Click Preview and send yourself a test email. Open that email and click the PDF link or button to confirm that the file opens correctly. If possible, test it on both desktop and mobile, since the experience can look slightly different depending on the device. Once everything opens properly and the link works as expected, your PDF is ready to be shared in your Mailerlite email.